I'm Dr. John Gross from Los Angeles, and I want to talk to you today about your choices in breast augmentation. Fortunately, the options for breast augmentation and the devices available have markedly improved over the last decade or so. We have two choices that are currently FDA approved and include saline-filled devices with a silicone outer envelope, and we have silicone gel-filled devices with a silicone outer envelope. And I'm fortunate enough to be able to speak to you about a third option that's not yet FDA approved, but may be a great option for some select patients. And that's a device that's filled with what's referred to as a highly cohesive gel. Sometimes on the internet it's known as the gummy bear device, and we refer to it as the Style 410 device. And where it may have particular advantages is in patients that are very thin yet want a very natural result because of its shape and the fact that it tends not to wrinkle or ripple as much as some of the other devices. It may be a great option for some patients. But like all the choices that we make, you should make those choices and decisions along with your surgeon after you've done a thorough consultation and an examination. And the way that I like to present those options to patients is all the choices, whether they're saline-filled devices or the traditional silicone gel-filled devices or the Style 410, quote, gummy bear device, is they come with some upsides and downsides, or you'll hear me use the word trade-offs frequently. And that's the thing that we won't be able to go into fully today, but you come into the office and we spend an hour doing your history and exam and talking about it, and it's really a process. And many times I'll do a consultation initially with a patient, and we may not come to the decision that day to choose which implant. I'll give you a ton of information to go home, think about. We'll give you some stuff to read. We'll have information available on the internet for you to review. And this process sometimes continues at home. Sometimes you come back with your significant other, we talk it over again, and many times we don't make the final decision on the type of implant or the final decision for the size, style, or shape until that second visit.